Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Valorant VAL 43 error code. Let's fix this guys. First I recommend to do close out of Valorant and restart your PC guys. If that will help you to solve that any simple problems. And the next step, you go any browser, open up any browser. Go to notepad and copy my description link and paste it. Go to search. English service status English, continue. It should tell you any recent issues to report. You can report like this. There a problem, you can report. That's it guys. The next step, you need to go to search menu. It's not, and type cmd. Run as administrator, right click on it. Run as administrator. Click yes. Now you need to type ipconfig ipconfig space slash flush dns. Press enter guys. Windows IP config successfully flashed the DNS resolved cache. Sign back to the game guys. Hopefully it will resolve. Thanks for watching my video.